quick vid on the diagnostic menu of the Aquasmart Series 1. You have to push the high efficiency button and then the select button, and it beeps twice. I'll just use two hands for that, so push that. Okay. It's not a very good shot. There we go. Okay, so we're in the diagnostics menu. Press select for service. You can see the fault codes, and then back and control. Restart is how you should leave it. It means the machine retries when there's a fault. Recycle is to test and test and test. Back, service, select. Now if you move right, we now can turn on the hot water, cold water, detergent, fabric softener, and the pump. Drain, recirculate, off. My camera's really not coping anymore. It's faulty. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy.